Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making my most popular recipe on my site, these delicious lemon cookies, topped with a super simple 2-ingredient lemon icing. These cookies are soft, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. All right, let's get started with the cookies. My favorite thing about them, besides how delicious they are, is that they only take about 15 minutes to mix up, and they bake in 10 to 12 minutes. There's no need to chill the cookie dough. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper, or you could use a silicone baking mat. In a medium bowl, whisk together 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. You want to make sure for the best cookies to measure your flour correctly. I always recommend weighing your ingredients, but if you are using a measuring cup, you want to stir the flour first and then spoon the flour into the cup and level it off. Do not pack it down or scoop directly from the bag or you'll get too much flour. Too much flour means you'll get cakey, dry cookies that don't spread. Now that the dry ingredients are all whisked together, go ahead and set that aside for later. In the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, you'll add 1 cup or 2 sticks of softened butter and 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar. You'll cream them together for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed until it's light and fluffy. Make sure your butter is softened so it can be creamed together with the sugar properly. You should be able to indent your finger into the butter and there should be still some slight resistance. It shouldn't be straight cold from the fridge or so soft that you can easily push your finger straight through. If the butter is too cold, you won't be able to properly cream and aerate the dough. If it's too warm, the cookies will spread way too much in the oven. Now let's add 1 large room temperature egg and beat that in. Be sure to scrape down the bowl here so that there aren't any pockets of egg or butter hiding out that haven't been mixed in. The key here is to use a room temperature egg, not a cold one, or it will seize up the butter in the bowl and knock out all of that beautiful air that we just incorporated during the creaming step. Simply place your egg in a bowl of warm water for 10 minutes and then wipe clean and use. After that, you'll mix in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Make sure again to give your bowl a good scrape down at this point. Now time to add in the dry ingredients that we whisked together earlier. Gradually mix them into the wet ingredients at a low speed. We just want to combine everything, so just don't overmix at this point. Once the last of the flour has been mixed in, you want to stop mixing. If you continue to mix your cookie dough at this point, it can create a really tough, chewy cookie. Now it's time to scoop. I always recommend using a cookie scoop for even-sized cookies. I'm using a medium-sized scoop that scoops about 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. You can roll them in your hand to smooth and then place them on your prepared baking sheets. You want to leave about 2 inches between each one so that they have some room to spread. Let's go ahead and pop them into our preheated oven and we'll bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. The edges will look golden, but the center will still be slightly soft and puffy. That means they are baked perfectly. They will continue to set up as they cool. Remove them from the oven and let them cool on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cookies are cooling, let's whip up my super simple lemon icing. In a small bowl, you'll mix together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. For an extra zesty punch, you can add in some fresh lemon zest. I like to start with 3 tablespoons of juice, and if the icing's a bit thick, I'll add in the extra tablespoon. If the icing's too thin, you can always add a bit more powdered sugar. Once your cookies have cooled completely, take an offset spatula and spread the lemon icing on top. And there you have it, fresh, buttery lemon sugar cookies topped with a zesty lemon icing. These are the perfect treat for any time of year. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below how they turn out. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new baking recipe. And I'll see you next time. Happy baking!